We got a package in the mail today. It's pretty heavy. We're about to unbox it and see what's in here coming up.
Perfect.
What's up, Solid Squad? It's your main man, Really Rails, back at it again. I came home today to find this box sitting outside the door. Now, you guys know that I love coming home to packages in the mail. You know, you never know what it's gonna be. So, considering I didn't order anything, and on the channel here, it's all about cars, it's all about mods, it's all about detailing, it's all about reviews. I can imagine what's in this box. It is pretty darn heavy. So let's go ahead and get an open in this box and see what's in here. You guys know whenever I get a package and we do an unboxing, I like to give you guys the point of view so you can see exactly what I'm seeing as I'm opening the box. So I got my trusty blade here, and we're gonna go ahead and dive on into this box. Alrighty. So, you know, looking at the name on this package actually came from the good folks at Lamonster Garage. Now, if you don't know who Lamonster Garage is, they're very, very heavy in the Can-Am community. And I'll make sure that all their info is in the description below. So you can go check out their website and see they have a plethora of things that, you know, you can get a lot of detailing products, a lot of products for Can-Ams, if that's your lane. They have a lot of stuff to support the Can-Am community. Previously, last week, they sent me a box, and it consisted of one of their good products to remove bugs and remove tar. And they sent me also a black trim renew. And I mean, the stuff in that box, I put it on my car, and you know, I did a little sample area, and then after I seen that sample area, I knew I had to go and do the whole car, and the whole car came out amazing. So major shout out to the guys over at Lamonster Garage. I thank you guys very much, and I thank you guys for this new box that you just sent today. You know, I couldn't be more grateful. So I appreciate you guys very much. So let's go and see what they sent us this time. So, you know, it's almost like, it feel like Christmas for me. So we got a little package of stuff over here. And, you know, they always send you, you know, you get a little pouch here. And in the pouch, you know, they make sure you get a business card, of course, so you can, you know, give them that repeat business. They send you a sticker too. This sticker is pretty cool, Lamonster Garage. Now, the previous sticker that I got, I put it on my laptop. Like, I put, you know, all of the stickers that I get from companies that I really support on my laptop. So thank you guys. I would definitely be adding this one to my laptop as well. Here's their business card. So you can, you know, contact Jacob Tinker, shop manager, if you guys can see the information. But like I said, all the information will be down below. You know what's pretty dope? They give you mints. You know, there's an apple and a watermelon. I think it's mint. No, it's just, was it just candy? Yeah. They give you candy. Now, what other company packages up the product and throws candy in it? You know, these guys at Lamonster Garage they're awesome, yo. Like, seriously. So, like I said, I'll definitely be putting that sticker on my laptop, and I'll put that business cards where all of my other ones are. So, you know, this in my wallet, so I can make sure that I have it on hand if I ever need it. And I'll make sure that I partake in these pieces of candy like I did last time. They were pretty good last time. So, put that over there. We're gonna dive into, oh, you know, I always like apparel now. You know, I love apparel. So I got a t-shirt here. Let's go ahead and bust this t-shirt open. You know, trusty blade. Now, when you get something like this from a company, it makes you feel, definitely makes you feel like part of the team. Definitely makes you feel like a part of the team. So in the front, you see, you know, got their logo, Lamonster Garage, out of Missouri. There's their website is right there, but like I said, the website is going to be down in the description below and on the back. Now, I love graphic tees, especially like huge graphic tees. It says, if you just passed me, I wasn't racing. Now that's a dope shirt. I love that shirt, Lamonster Garage. I'm going to start using that saying, if you just passed me, I wasn't racing. I like that. Thank you guys so much for that shirt. Let me see what else we got in here. We have another shirt. Oh, you got to be kidding now. That was a graphic tee. Now, I know by the look of this shirt that this isn't just a graphic tee, you guys. This is not just a graphic tee. Let me see where the best place to open this one at. Man. Now, I'm definitely appreciative of this right here. Extremely appreciative of that. But when someone sends you an actual button-up shop shirt, now this is not your regular shirt. Now that a lot goes into different types of apparel, clothing, and so forth and so on. And this button up, they definitely didn't have to send me this. Like I said, you guys over there at Lamonster Garage, I appreciate you. I definitely support the team, definitely support the movie. And you know what? I think like this is the type of shirt that I could wear during my videos that I do. You know what I mean? This nice, short sleeve button up. On the front, it says Lamonster Garage, got their logo. And of course, on the back, it has the same thing as the t-shirt did. If you just passed me, I wasn't racing. And then, Lamonster Garage. This shirt right here, I got a feeling that this is going to be one of my favorite shirts to wear right here. And especially doing my videos, my car videos and stuff like that. Just got to make sure that those guys don't mind me wearing them in the videos. But this button up right here, love it. And, black is my favorite color when it comes to clothes. If you look at my closet, you'll see it's mostly black t-shirts and all types of shirts and stuff like that. So this one right here is definitely... this is it right here. So I thank you guys again. Like I said, I would love to be able to wear those in my videos that I put out. So, if that's okay, give me a thumbs up down below in the comments. Okay, now the box within the box. These guys, like I said, the product they gave me before they sent to me was amazing. It worked great. So I can only imagine what the rest of their products are like. So we're going to go ahead and cut the tape and see if we can get in here. Don't want to cut myself, I wonder if I did it upside down. I believe I did. So let's go back to this side. Y'all don't mind me. I'm just getting off of work, Mine ain't all together yet, Don't penalize me for it. Got this open. Sit it down there like that. And of course, they jam-packed the box for me, man. You gotta love it. Sometimes you get boxes and stuff is rattling all around in there, but man. And guess what? I got some more stickers, got another sticker, and got some more candy. You know what I mean? You can't go wrong with that. Hey, thank you guys again for that. We got here first is some more of the black diamond detailer. Now this is the non-aerosol form, so I will be interested in seeing how this works. I'm pretty sure it works just as good as the aerosol version. So we got that. It comes with the spray nozzle here. Open it up and put that in there. We got some of my favorite stuff right here. This black trim renew. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. I appreciate it. If you look at the shelf in my garage where all my cleaning stuff at, you guys are sitting on the top shelf now. I had to move some things down to the second shelf. So you guys are on the top shelf. Oh yeah, this is the travel. It's a travel bottle, so you can actually pour some of the stuff, Black Diamond Detailer, into the travel bottle. So that way, you don't have to take the large bottle. You can take this, and while you're out on the road, if you're running the bugs and stuff, you can quickly, spray it down, and you're good to go. And one thing that I really love about this company is that whenever they send you stuff, they send you microfiber towels. Now, if you go... Now, what they send, how many they send? 1, 2, 3, 4. They sent me 4 microfiber towels. I want you guys to do me a favor. Next time you're in AutoZone or, Advanced Auto, wherever you buy your car stuff at, do me a favor and let me know how much a pack of 4 is. These aren't cheap by any means necessary, when you're dealing with microfiber towels. And these are actually some really, really good microfiber towels. Once again, hey, guys over at Lamonster Garage, I thank you very, very much. Like I said, I got the shirts now. I feel like I'm a part of the teams. I definitely got to represent, and I'll definitely be wearing the shirts. Like I said, I love graphic tees, and also that button up is just That button up is off the charts. I love that button up. So I'm definitely gonna be wearing that soon. I might just wear that tomorrow. Who knows? This right here, this package right here, this is the best package I've gotten so far from any company. Like I said, they give you everything that you need. So hey guys, go on their website. Like I said, it's in the description below. Go on their website, Black Diamond Detailer. Black Diamond Detailer, and they actually have the stock number on there, which is LG 5005. If you want to make sure you got the right one, go on there and order this product. It's inexpensive, and I promise you, you will not be disappointed in the results on your car, your motorcycle, your truck, ATV, Can-Am, slingshot, whatever you ride. I guarantee you that you will not be disappointed. You know, make sure you guys get out there and get that product because it's amazing. Like I said, I can't wait. Like this shirt right here, I got to give it up one more time because you know these guys got a great design. But this shirt, I love this button-up shirt. I love the button-up shirt. So definitely got to rock that. And you know, when you get people that are truly, you know, companies that are truly genuine, you know, when they look out for you like this, you got to give them their props. It's so simple as that, you know. And you got to let people know that, you know, like this is a great quality product that they're giving me. And like I said, they didn't have to put these shirts in a box by no means at all. Like I said, Lamonster Garage, you know, you guys are on my top shelf in my garage amongst my cleaning supplies and stuff like that. So I thank you guys very much. I really appreciate it. Everybody out there, go to Lamonster Garage. It's down below. Make sure you check them out on Instagram as well. And they're on Facebook also. And I'll make sure all their info is down in the description below so you can go check them guys out. You know, they got amazing, amazing product there. As you can see, I got some great products from the guys over at Lamonster Garage today. I'm super excited, super happy. You know, it's always that good feeling when you come home and there's a package in front of the door. You're like, oh man, what's in it? But when I seen the name on it, I knew it couldn't be nothing less than extraordinary. So from the products that they sent to the graphic tee and especially this shop shirt I got on right now. I mean, this might be my new favorite shirt actually. You know, don't tell nobody, but it might be my new favorite shirt. I think I'm gonna wear it in my videos if they don't mind. Hopefully they don't mind. But you guys head on over there to their website, check them out on the social media. All the information is listed below and check out their product. Let me know if you go over there and if you pick something up because I'm telling you, you will not be disappointed. To the guys at Lamonster Garage now, I thank you guys. I appreciate you guys. I appreciate the package. The stuff is amazing. I already used it before. I'm actually waiting on my car to get dirty again so I can use it again. You know, so I'm definitely excited. But thank you guys again. And to the whole squad, drop a solid down in the comments if you could go over there and get you some of that product from Lamonster Garage. Like I said, thank you guys once again. I appreciate it. Got my new favorite shirt on, and I will see you guys next time. Remember, always 100, always solid. Your boy Relly Rails.
Perfect.